Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a RAM upgrade that could breathe new life into your Dell laptop. Specifically, we're looking at the ATEX 16GB DDR4 SATA memory module, designed for a range of Dell Latitude models, including the 3420, 5411, 5511, 5521, and even the rugged 7424. If you're noticing your Dell Latitude is starting to feel a little sluggish, especially when multitasking or running demanding applications, a RAM upgrade is often the most cost-effective solution. This ATEX module boasts 16 GB of DDR4 memory, operating at a speed of 2,666 MHz. That speed is crucial, as it directly impacts how quickly your laptop can access and process data. The PC4-21300 designation confirms it meets the necessary bandwidth requirements for optimal performance. The SATA form factor is standard for laptops, ensuring compatibility with the specified Dell Latitude models. It's also non-ECC, which is typical for consumer laptops. ECC memory includes error correction, which is more common in servers and workstations. Installation is generally straightforward. Always consult your Dell Latitude service manual for specific instructions, but typically, it involves removing the bottom panel, locating the RAM slots, and carefully inserting the new module. Make sure to properly ground yourself before touching any internal components to avoid electrostatic discharge, which can damage sensitive electronics. The ATEX module offers a noticeable improvement in overall system responsiveness. Programs load faster, multitasking becomes smoother, and even demanding tasks like video editing or running virtual machines benefit from the increased memory capacity. For users who frequently work with large data sets or run multiple applications simultaneously, the upgrade to 16 GB could be a game changer. While the 2,666 MHz speed is a solid upgrade for many, it's worth checking your specific Dell Latitude model specifications to ensure it can fully utilize that speed. Some models might be limited to a lower frequency, in which case the RAM will still work, but you won't be taking full advantage of its potential. Overall, the ATEX 16GB DDR4 RAM module is a worthwhile upgrade for compatible Dell Latitude laptops. It's a relatively inexpensive way to boost performance and extend the lifespan of your machine. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to improve your Dell Latitude's performance, this ATEX memory module is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.